Google just gave Docs superpowers. Type one line and boom, your whole essay, email, and blog writes itself. Hi, my name is Miss J, and I make learning AI tools and digital hacks simple, easy, and fun for everyone to use. Today, we're using Gemini in Google Docs. Let's go. Let's start the timer now. All right, so here we are on Google Docs, and over here you're going to have to agree to the Ask Gemini. So once you agree to that, we're going to come over here to Generate Document, and then they do have some templates here where you can just kind of use any of these if you like, but we're not going to use any of these. We're going to come over, exit out of that, go right back to Generate Document, and down here where it says describe the document you want to create is what we're going to use. So I'm going to say generate a thank you letter to donors who helped save our aquarium, right? I'm going to talk as if I'm the owner of the aquarium. So let's say create, and let's see what it comes up with. Oh, wow. Did you see that? A heartfelt thank you to our amazing donors. Dear valued donors, on behalf of the entire team and all the beloved marine life at our aquarium, we extend our deepest gratitude for your incredible generosity and unwavering support. Blah, 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 blah. Let's go down. Your donations have directly impacted the lives of countless creatures under our care, allowing us to, all right, do that. And then the team at the aquarium. So this right here is called a smart chip. I can date this for whatever date I want. So I'm writing this today on October 30th. I can just choose that and hit enter, and then that date is going to be there. Or if it was a different date that you wanted, you can just click on November, December, whatever the date that you want. It already gave it a title. Thank you to our aquarium donors, and it added this cool image. I mean, if I gave money to save an aquarium and I got this letter in return, I would felt like I did something wonderful, right? That is so awesome. So now we just come over here, and let's just say we wanted to save this. We would save it as a PDF, PDF right here. And then I could email this to all of our supporters. Or I could even come down here. Let me show you something else. You can say at, and then you see where it says email. Let's see. Where's email? Here you go. Email draft. I could actually send this right now without going into Gmail. So I'm going to say at AI for everyone. And then the subject is going to say thank you. And then I could write the same thing again right here, or I could copy and paste all of this. Scroll down, scroll down, scroll down. Copy and paste all of that. Click Control C, come down here and press Control V. And now it is in email format already. I can just click on this M, and it's going to open up Gmail for me. Let's make it bigger. Sometimes it'll save it and just put it in a draft, but believe me, it is there. So here's my entire letter. Here's my recipient. I'm just sending it to myself for now just to show you guys. And all I got to do now is hit send. So wow, within like a few minutes, I was able to go ahead and formulate a thank you letter and send it to my recipients. Here it is right here in my email, the thank you letter. Right there. All right, that's your digital hack in 4 minutes. You've just seen how Google Gemini writes full documents. No templates, no stress. What document would you make next? Go ahead and try Google Docs right now and leave it in the comments to let me know what you would have Gemini write for you. Like and subscribe, and come back tomorrow to learn more.